Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today I'm sharing 5 tips to make your home smell amazing, and I'm starting with my DIY multi-surface cleaner. It's just a 16-ounce bottle, alcohol, dish soap, essential oils, and water. Next, I'm making my DIY fabric refresher using Downy Unstoppables. I love this scent. I also love the Gain Moonlight Breeze, but I felt like using this one today. So I do about a quarter way full with the scent beads, and then I add some, it smells so good. I add some alcohol and then water. Thank you, Wise Sky, for sending me this air purifier. This is a 3-stage filtration system. It removes 99.9% of airborne microscopic particles, including dust, smoke, pollen, pet dander, VOCs, bacteria, and viruses. The pre-filter captures larger particles from the air, such as dust, lint, hair, fibers, and pet fur. The Wise HEPA filter H13 True HEPA unique filtration technique effectively decomposes PM 2.5, PM 10, VOCs, TVOCs, NO2, SO2, and other hazardous pollutants. The activated carbon filter is made from coconut shell, and it absorbs smoke, smells, soot, pet odor, and cooking odors. I usually keep mine on auto, and when I'm cooking, it'll go orange or red. There's a 3-color air quality indicator. It'll intuitively show the current indoor air condition: red for poor, orange for moderate, and blue for good. There's an ultra low noise at night sleep mode, and this is also smart voice controlled. You can control the air purifier by Amazon Alexa. Just say the word, "Hey Alexa, set air purifier to turbo mode." I like to keep my air purifier in the kitchen right where I cook, but it's also good for the living room or any hallways, bedroom, and office. There's a 7-stage fan speed. Just touch to slide to control the fan speed. The filter replacement indicator checks both pre-filter and composite filters to let you know when it's time to wash or replace the filter. If you are interested in this Wise Sky air filter, I'll have all the links in my description. Now I'm cleaning the sink with just soap and water this time. Careful not to use bleach because I am going to be using vinegar. It's just baking soda in the garbage disposal and white distilled vinegar. Some people say that it cancels each other out, but I like the fizz and it's satisfying for me. And I feel like it makes a difference. It definitely doesn't smell after, and this is how I like to keep my disposal clean. Recently, I also saw a girl on TikTok make garbage disposal ice, and you guys know we've been using the ice molds, and I think I want to try that. I heard that the ice also sharpens the blades of your garbage disposal, so I did put 2 rods in there and then start it. And you guys know I'm always using my Fresh dishwasher cleaner and also the washing machine cleaner. And then I pulled out the filter and noticed it was really gross. So I pulled that out, and this is like an extra tip to clean your dishwasher filter, because it can hold on to all that gunk and food that you saw in there and contribute to your house smelling. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll do a part 2 to ways to make your house smell better. And thanks for watching. I will talk to you guys in the next one.